So here's two Pinlock kegs that have been in my basement for about a year. It looks like a little bit more than a year. Last time I brewed was just Festa kits. I got to clean these up. Got to OxyClean them first and then Star Sand them. I'll show you how that goes. It's really easy. I'll describe it really quickly. Pop the lid off. Fill it up to most of the way with OxyClean. Let it cook in there for 15 minutes in nice hot water, maybe a half an hour. Then put a bucket upside down over this. Lid off, remember. Flip it over really quickly and then pull it up a little bit to let maybe 2 inches of water drop out into the bucket, and then the level in the bucket upside down will be up to about here, and it will OxyClean all of this really well. Hose it all down and then do the same thing over again with Star Sand, but you only got to do the Star Sand for like a couple minutes on each side. We'll clean these up, we'll show you how it's done, and then they'll be ready to put beer and cider into this weekend.